Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to view keyboard shortcuts in Google Drive so you can work faster and more efficiently. First of all, head over to Google Drive. You can do this by typing drive.google.com into your browser or simply searching for Google Drive. Once you're on the home page, you'll see all your files and folders in one central place. This is where you'll be learning to boost your productivity. Now, let's find the keyboard shortcuts menu. Look toward the settings area, and there you'll notice the option for keyboard shortcuts. Clicking on it will instantly open a window that lists every available shortcut. This gives you a quick reference to commands that make file and folder management much smoother. If you're new to shortcuts, don't feel pressured to memorize them all at once. Start with the most common ones, like creating a new folder, sharing a document, or searching through your files. As you use them daily, they'll become second nature, helping you save time and reduce clicks. To wrap up, viewing and learning keyboard shortcuts in Google Drive is one of the easiest ways to streamline your workflow. It turns simple tasks into faster, more effortless actions, and over time, it will completely transform the way you work. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more productivity tips.